Hi, it's Kevin here at Redverz Gear. We're going to have a quick comparison and review between the Helinox Chair 1 Extra Large and the Helinox Sunset Chair. Okay, so let's look at the pack size to begin with. Both of these chairs almost identical in pack size, and they're both weighing just a little over 3 pounds each. So let's set them up and sit in these chairs. Let's compare the pros and cons of each one of these chairs. Okay, so setup time almost identical with these two seats itself there. I'm 6'3", weighing 220 pounds, and so what we've got is we're in the Chair 1 Extra Large to start with here, and as you can see, I've sat, it's got a good wide base here, so lots of space to relax in here. Shoulder-wise, I'm inside the chair. I feel definitely inside this one here. No headrest at all here. So just kind of, but you can scooch down, come from here. It's great. Now, what are the pros on this one here that I like? I like that I'm inside it. I feel comfortable. I feel supported inside it. The downside of this chair, though, is I feel like I'm restricted as well. So even though I like being in it, when I want to, say, eat or drink, move, I feel like my arms are being constrained inside this. So let's switch over now to the Sunset Chair and have a look at the pros and cons with this one. So very comparable chairs in price, weight, seat height, and almost seat shape as well. It's really coming down to whether you prefer the arm movement or whether you want to feel cocooned more in your chair as well. So what do we think? 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Well, that's the comparison between the Sunset Chair and the Chair 1 Extra Large. Thanks for watching. We're going to do a few more comparisons between the smaller chairs and also the cots and the tables as well. So stay tuned for those and come back and watch those.